Carl Icahn's investing tip number 8: focus on management, the backbone of successful investments. When Carl Icahn evaluates potential investments, one of the most critical factors he considers is the quality of a company's management team. For Icahn, effective management is the backbone of a company's success. A strong leadership team can navigate challenges, execute a strategic vision, and ultimately drive long-term value for shareholders. Conversely, poor management can derail even the most promising companies. Let's dive into why focusing on management is essential and how Icahn uses this approach to maximize his investment outcomes. The importance of management in investing. 1. Strategic vision and execution. Setting the course. A company's management team is responsible for setting its strategic direction. This includes deciding on business models, growth strategies, market positioning, and long-term goals. Effective leaders not only develop a compelling vision but also have the ability to execute it successfully. Icahn's evaluation. Icahn closely examines whether a company's management has a clear and realistic strategic vision. He looks for leaders who can effectively implement their plans and achieve the company's objectives. If management lacks strategic focus or fails to execute, Icahn views it as a red flag. 2. Operational efficiency. Maximizing resources. Strong management teams are adept at optimizing the company's resources, whether it's human capital, financial resources, or technological assets. Operational efficiency is key to maintaining competitive advantage and profitability. Icahn's criteria. Icahn evaluates whether management is running the company efficiently. This includes assessing their ability to control costs, streamline operations, and improve productivity. Inefficient management can erode profits and hinder the company's growth potential, making it a crucial factor in his investment decisions. 3. Adaptability and innovation. Navigating change. The business environment is constantly evolving, with new technologies, market dynamics, and regulatory landscapes emerging. Effective management teams are those that can adapt to change, innovate, and keep the company competitive. Icahn's insight. Icahn favors management teams that are forward-thinking and adaptable. He looks for leaders who embrace innovation and are capable of steering the company through change. Companies that fail to innovate or adapt risk becoming obsolete, making the ability to pivot and innovate a key consideration for Icahn. 4. Corporate governance. Accountability and transparency. Good corporate governance ensures that management is accountable to shareholders and operates with transparency and integrity. Strong governance structures protect shareholder interests and prevent management from engaging in self-serving behaviors. Icahn's governance focus. Icahn is a strong advocate for robust corporate governance. He scrutinizes the company's board of directors and governance practices to ensure that they align with shareholder interests. If governance is weak or if management appears to be acting in their own interests rather than those of the shareholders, Icahn often steps in to push for changes. 5. Financial acumen. Sound financial management. Effective management teams possess strong financial acumen, which includes prudent capital allocation, managing debt levels, and maintaining healthy cash flow. Sound financial management is essential for sustaining growth and navigating economic downturns. Icahn's financial analysis. Icahn pays close attention to how management handles the company's finances. He evaluates their capital allocation decisions, such as whether they are investing in growth opportunities, returning capital to shareholders, or engaging in wasteful spending. A management team that demonstrates strong financial discipline is likely to win Icahn's approval. 6. Leadership and culture. Inspiring performance. The leadership style and corporate culture fostered by management have a significant impact on employee morale, productivity, and overall company performance. A positive culture and strong leadership can drive innovation, loyalty, and efficiency within the organization. Icahn's observation. Icahn assesses the leadership qualities of a company's executives and the culture they create within the organization. He values leaders who inspire their teams, promote a healthy and productive work environment, and encourage a culture of accountability and excellence. A toxic culture or ineffective leadership can be a major deterrent for Icahn. 7. Stakeholder relationships. Building trust and value. A company's management must also manage relationships with various stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, regulators, and shareholders. Building and maintaining strong relationships is essential for long-term success. Icahn's evaluation. Icahn looks for management teams that excel in stakeholder management. He believes that companies that treat their employees well, maintain strong customer relationships, and engage effectively with regulators and shareholders are more likely to succeed. Poor stakeholder management can lead to conflicts, reputational damage, and financial losses, making it a key factor in his assessment. Carl Icahn's activism and management focus. 1. Changing management. Identifying weaknesses. Icahn is known for his activist approach, where he identifies companies with weak or ineffective management teams. When he believes that management is not maximizing shareholder value, he often takes an active role in pushing for changes. Icahn's activism. In cases where he sees management as a barrier to success, Icahn doesn't hesitate to advocate for leadership changes. For example, he has pushed for the removal or replacement of CEOs and board members when he believes new leadership is necessary to turn the company around. 2. Enhancing value. Driving performance. By focusing on management, Icahn often aims to enhance the company's performance and shareholder value. His activism is often centered around improving operational efficiency, refining strategy, or unlocking hidden value within the company. Case study: Yahoo! Icahn's involvement in Yahoo is a prime example of his focus on management. He pushed for changes in the board and leadership, advocating for the sale of Yahoo's core business. His efforts were aimed at unlocking value for shareholders, leading to significant changes in the company's direction. 3. Ensuring accountability. Holding management accountable. Icahn's activism also involves holding management accountable to shareholders. He often pushes for greater transparency, better governance, and more shareholder-friendly policies. Case study: eBay. Icahn's campaign against eBay's management highlighted his focus on accountability. He criticized the company's leadership for poor governance and conflicts of interest, leading to a broader discussion on corporate governance and shareholder rights. The benefits of focusing on management. 1. Improved performance. Maximizing returns. Companies with strong management teams are more likely to execute their strategies effectively, leading to improved performance and higher returns for investors. Icahn's returns. Icahn's focus on management has consistently led to investments that yield strong returns. By investing in companies with competent and effective leaders, Icahn positions himself to benefit from their success. 2. Risk mitigation. Reducing risks. A capable management team is better equipped to navigate challenges, manage risks, and steer the company through difficult times. This reduces the overall risk of the investment. Icahn's risk management. By prioritizing management quality, Icahn mitigates risks in his investments. He knows that strong leadership can make the difference between a company that survives and thrives and one that falters in the face of adversity. 3. Long-term value creation. Sustained growth. A company with strong management is more likely to achieve sustained growth over the long term. Effective leaders focus on long-term value creation, ensuring that the company remains competitive and profitable. Icahn's long-term perspective. Icahn's focus on management aligns with his long-term investment perspective. He looks for management teams that are committed to building long-term value, which in turn supports his strategy of holding investments over an extended period. Challenges of focusing on management. 1. Subjectivity. Difficult to measure. Assessing management quality can be subjective, as it often involves qualitative factors such as leadership style, decision-making ability, and cultural impact. This subjectivity can make it challenging to determine whether a management team is truly effective. Icahn's experience. Icahn's extensive experience and deep industry knowledge allow him to make informed judgments about management quality. He often leverages his network and resources to gather insights that help him evaluate leadership teams more accurately. 2. Management turnover. Unpredictable changes. Even with strong management in place, leadership changes can occur unexpectedly, potentially altering the company's direction and performance. Investors must be prepared to reassess their investment if key management personnel leave or are replaced. Icahn's response. Icahn monitors management teams closely and is prepared to take action if leadership changes negatively impact the company. His active involvement often includes advocating for new leadership if he believes the change is necessary to protect shareholder value. Summary. Focusing on management is a critical component of Carl Icahn's investment strategy and one of the key factors that have contributed to his success as an investor. By prioritizing companies with strong, capable, and accountable management teams, Icahn positions himself to benefit from improved performance, reduced risks, and long-term value creation. His activist approach further reinforces his commitment to ensuring that management acts in the best interests of shareholders. For any investor, placing a strong emphasis on management quality can significantly enhance the likelihood of successful investments. While assessing management may involve some subjectivity, the benefits of investing in companies with strong leadership are clear. Icahn's focus on management serves as a powerful example of how effective leadership can drive value and contribute to long-term investment success. Click the link below for more investing tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more famous investors tips.